Mm. What did you say about Sean and Judy wrapping the package? And Gracie?
I'm opening your package.
On Judy's birthday?
On Judy's birthday. Finally. They have...
Wow. Let's see. Did you get it?
The card is in here.
Oh
Here's
my
a
goodness.
card.
Alright. Well, go ahead. Here you go.
Huh?
Wow, what's in there? Carefully open those. I think those were hand-picked by Gracie and Judy. Carefully now, carefully.
Shells.
Seashells.
Hey, but we only have this one.
That's a new one. Wow, they got a good one. Here, let it stay in there for now so we don't break it. Oh my goodness, that's awesome. Alright, how about the card? Open the card.
After I see what's in this.
It's a starfish. Wow, flip them over. That's awesome. Oh, does he smell? No? Alright, how about the card? What is that? Necklaces. Did you read the card?
I don't know how to read them anymore.
Look at that hair, Judy. Oh, it's a nice card. Just sending you a little hug. Did you feel it? Oh, here's some shells and books, all from the beach, and some jewelry. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say love you.
Love you.
That's an awesome shell. Oh, all right.